Namaskar and welcome back to the Bengal's Kitchen. How are you doing all? The situation outside is getting worse day by day. Precautions are not enough to fight against this pandemic. We have to be more responsible. We have to care whatever we are doing. We have to take care on our actions. A single mistake can ruin everything. So as we all know, the new lockdown phase has started. Please try to stay at home as much as possible. Do not go outside if it's not that necessary. Drink enough water, try to eat home cooked food, try to eat seasonal vegetables and fruit. In this video, today I am going to share a very simple and easy recipe that anyone can make even if you are a beginner. So today's recipe is Aamer Ambol. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, give us a thumbs up. If you're watching this video for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe this channel right now. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for the instant notification. We come up with new videos with new recipes every week for you. Please share it with your friends, family and well-wishers and in social media as well, because your love and support will definitely motivate us to upload new videos every week. We'll see you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.